Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to indulge in the delightful world of Apple's upcoming iPhone 15 lineup. Here's what you need to know about the much-anticipated release. iPhone 15 release date. Apple has been pretty consistent with their iPhone release schedule over the years. While there were some exceptions, like the iPhone X and the iPhone 12 lineup affected by COVID-19 delays. The expectation is that the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro lineups will follow the typical pattern. So, mark your calendars for September, the usual time for iPhone releases. Prioritizing iPhone 15. When it comes to Apple's product releases, the iPhone takes the crown as the most crucial one. As a result, the company is going all out to ensure iPhone 15 production goes smoothly. If any challenges arise, they'll prioritize the iPhone's release over everything else. iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max challenges. While we're eagerly awaiting the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, reports suggest that Apple has faced some hurdles in their production. The tech giant's ambitious plan to reduce bezel sizes has caused some scaling issues. However, fear not, Apple is planning to push forward with the announcement and release in September, but in limited quantities. Keep an eye out for the Pro Max, which might face more significant shortages at launch. Now, let's dive into the exciting features you can expect from the iPhone 15 lineup. USB-C charging. Say goodbye to the old charging woes. All iPhone 15 models are set to feature USB-C charging, making your charging experience faster and more convenient. Sleeker bezels. Prepare for a visually stunning experience with slimmer bezels across the entire iPhone 15 lineup, offering a more immersive display. The Dynamic Island. Previously exclusive to some models, the Dynamic Island will now expand to the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, adding a touch of elegance to the design. Titanium finish. For those who appreciate the finer things, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are getting a new titanium finish, exuding sophistication and style. A17 Bionic chip. The heart of these devices, the A17 Bionic chip, will be manufactured using the cutting-edge 3nm process. This means improved performance and better energy efficiency for a seamless user experience. Periscope lens. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is stepping up its photography game with a periscope lens, offering improved optical zoom for stunning rear-facing camera shots. Stay tuned for the latest iPhone 15 news and rumors, which will keep you updated on daily. Brace yourselves for an enchanting September as we await the grand unveiling of Apple's sensational iPhone 15 lineup.